Coming in at 36 feet, 11 inches in length, this is the 2025 Windsport 35G. Hi, it's Steve from Thor Motor Coach. Wonderful Class A gas motorhome. Great vacations are in store. We're talking seat belts for 7. You're gonna have sleeping here on your sofa, sleeping in the dinette, and sleeping in the drop down over the cab bunk. Look at this Project 2000 bunk, key operated. Turn that on, boom, down it comes, woo, up it goes. The ladder stores in the closet. We'll show you when we get there. Also, what stores in the closet? You have a great pedestal table that sets up. So you can see the passenger and captain seat swivel. This has the power driver's seat on here. Pedestal table sets up here. And then when you have this seat swiveled, really opens it up and becomes part of your living area. When the stair is facing forward, all the bells and whistles you need: Sirius XM satellite radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, cruise control, all the buttons you need to just dial in your 35G. You can even start that 5,500 watt gas generator from here. And into this wonderful dinette we are. Look, right now we have this set up as a workstation. The computer's hooked up, you have cup holders for the ride, a wireless charger here, and we have the Winegard Connect 2.0 4G hotspot and Wi-Fi extender on board. So once you set up your own internet connection, you too can upload your tours to your favorite social media site. Then you clear this all off, you make it into a bed, or you have great meals here. Pull the blind down, block out that sun, or maybe you just open it up about like this. And then you open the windows. These are awning style windows, so you just kind of crank those open and you just let that breeze blow on through. Or if you are really toasty, you can turn on those two 13,500 BTU AC units. Or if it's the other direction and you're kind of chilly, we also have a fireplace back here, electric fireplace, space heater. You can adjust the temperature on there and it does a great job at really warming up the cabin. How about warming up something in the microwave or cooking something fresh right here on your 3-burner gas cooktop? You have the oven in here, nice large sink, storage down below, wastebasket, more storage up above, adjustable shelves, tons of storage in here, the nice two-tone cabinets, 84 inches of ceiling height. Really just a great way to travel. How about this fridge? Check this out. Residential fridge and freezer in here. We have this unlocked now. Look at that. Look at the size of this. Fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. You also have an inverter on board, 1,800 watt inverter, and you have auto gen start. You have the generator, so you can always keep everything nice and cold. Smart TV back here, so we've connected to the Winegard, right? You did that, right? Stream whatever you want right here to the smart TV. Rapid Camp Plus is right here, so you can control your lights, check on your electric, climate, fans, slides, put out that awning. We'll show you when we go outside. Tanks, yep, you're gonna have 2 gray tanks and 2 black tanks on here. You do have a bath and a half. All of those tank specs right down in that super fancy graphic you see right here. Do some diagnostics and you can get into all of your settings. You can also download the mobile app and you can control everything from either here or through the VegaTouch Mira app on your phone. How about we take a look at this half bath? Door opens all the way, nice and roomy, plenty of storage. I love the size of those cabinets back there. Absolutely massive, so great for extra towels and linens and all the things you need. A large medicine cabinet. You also have a sink with a nice amount of counter space and tankless hot water on board as well, even hooks for towels or robes. And then when those towels or robes are dirty, you can, if you would like, this is all prepped for a washer and dryer, so you can plumb that in, or you can use this as a giant closet, use it as a pantry for giant appliances and all those snacks, the delicious snacks you like to store away. Look how big and deep these shelves are. These go all the way back, nice and tall, pull out drawers, so plenty of storage in your 35G. And that takes us right back into the bedroom. Gonna have a king bed in the 35G, USB ports in the nightstand, Nice, one of those 13.5 roof ACs right here, so it's gonna stay nice and cool in the bedroom. Smart TV, very large dresser top, and a massive, massive closet. Look at all the drawers down below. Plenty of storage in here for backpacks and clothes. The ladder for the over-the-cab bunk stores in here, and the table and the leg for the pedestal table we talked about stores in here as well. And that's gonna take us right into this very large rear bathroom. You have your shower back here on a wand, so you can rinse off. You have a skylight, so there's gonna be plenty of headroom in here. Look at this. Tons of headspace. I have on the big old Timberlands, so I'm at 6'1" in these shoes. Actually just a little bit over. You have your toilet right here. Real easy to hook up plumbing on here as well. And you have a control for your Rapid Cam Plus in here too. So a lot of great space in here, and that is just the inside. The outside is a great way to live it up in your 35G. You have 100 watts of solar on board, so when it is a bright sunny day like it is right now, those will keep those batteries topped off. Smart TV outside right under your power awning. There's an LED light strip in there as well. You can control through Rapid Cam Plus. TV on a swivel as well, so no matter where you are, set up and enjoy. Maybe you have camping chairs in here. Look at the storage on here. Tons of storage. Throw that right in here. This is going to be propane. You can connect a grill or a griddle, that exterior propane connection. A couple of 110s right there plugged into that 50 amp shore power, or that 5500 watt gas generator needs to be on to get that baby fired up. Right back here, another storage bay. These are all rotocast, by the way, so they're not going to mold or mildew or get that bay stink. There's also a drain in there, so if you want to hose those out, the water will drain right out. Super friendly. This is going to be your bed slide there. Large pass-through storage bay right here. Look at that, another large bay for you, so store whatever you need in there. We have another large rotocast bay right here. Take out the grill. Take out the griddle. I'll tell you what, I'm a griddle. I've been really turned down to those griddles. I was at first like, I don't know. I hate to give up the gas grill. Now I don't use the gas grill. I think I've used it once in the last 3 years. But however you choose to cook, it could even be a portable fire pit. You can connect right there to your exterior propane connection. So a lot of great traveling is happening in the Windsport 35G. You just need to build your own and get that MSRP, which you can do right now at thormotorcoach.com.